Yes, here the second year students of Alpha. So your materials of VGS are available in your nearest bookstores. So the Jagan bookstore, all second year VGS series books VGS question banks are available in your nearest bookstores, especially the toppers of the college and all others are first you purchase the materials and then you start your reading. If any doubt, so I give total explanation to you all. So the discussion is important of you. The way of annual examination pattern I explain. First you purchase materials. If you have no material for your side, this online system is in not favor to you. So if you first purchase the materials and then you start your reading, so the exams compulsory else 2021 April first week or second week. So get ready to your annual examinations. So exams are not postponed. So that is the schedule of Board of Intermediate. So every student be alert and take care of yourself. And then, so it is the civics English medium second year. The welcome to Alpha Online Education. It is the unit number 9. The name of the unit is Emergencies of Telangana State. So in previous video I explained about the education of actually the movement of Telangana. So for example, the agreement of gentlemen, the movement of Vishalandra, the rules of Mulki. So these are all I completion in your previous video. So now present I explain emergency of Telangana state. It is the unit number 9 in this side. So the Millennium March after Millennium March 2011. So Sakala Janula Samme. So all people of Telangana, they are joined the education of Telangana. At the time, majority Sakala Janu, and other Janu, all who lives in Telangana, they are joined the education of these. So they joins the rail locos and road rail loco and rasta loco, road loco. So the education isn't strong. When the common people also entered the education, at the time the education isn't strong. All people of Telangana, they want separate Telangana. Their slogan is Jai Telangana. At the time, the all people, the Sakala Janula Samme. So all people of Telangana, they are in strike. They fight against the central government and they fight against the Andhra rulers. So all people are they join in this Samme. At the time, this is Telangana is our Jai Telangana. That is the main name of this. And then they took the Rai locos and Rasta locos. So total Telangana is in control of, total Telangana is in hands of common people. And then the role of JACs in Telangana movement. JAC means Joint Action Committees. So at the time, the Joint Action Committees, the first one is political JAC. JAC means Joint Action Commission, Joint Action Committee, JAC, Joint Action Committee. So the political JAC, Joint Action Committee. So the Kodandaram, Professor Kodandaram is head of this political JEC. At the time, the political JEC, so the lecturers joins in this agitation, the professors also join these agitations, that actually they create their own JECs. So the political JEC and then the Kula Sanghana JEC. So caste wise, the Kula Sangha, so the Gauda JECs, the Reddis JECs, so all Kula Sangha, the Yadava JECs, they are all to create their own JEC. All castes, they create their own joint action committees. So they actually, it is the very strong agitation 2001 to 2014. Do or die agitation. Once upon a time, KCR gives one slogan to Telangana people: Telangana Achulo, KCR Sachulo. KCR Sachulo, Telangana Achulo. Telangana Achulo, KCR Sachulo. That is the slogan of the. At the time, the majority people take inspiration of his voice, and all community peoples are joined. They create their own joint action committees, and they fight against the rulers of Andhra, the government of Central. So it is the wonderful agitation. And then the students, so the Usmania University, it is a very powerful university. So the students are boycott the classes, and they join the education. When the students enter the agitation at the time, so actually the students' power is nation's power. Vidyarthi Shakti, Jatiya Shakti antaru. So when the students enter the agitation of these, at the time the movement is in hands of majority students. So some students, what this is, do or die. Vijayamo, Vera Sogamo. Mattam in Telangana is ours. Every student wants Telangana, and they participate directly in education. At the time, all schools in Telangana are closed. So all universities, all schools, all students, every student voice is Jaydev. So at the time, it is a very serious agitation when the students enter the education. Okay? So the Usmania University JECs, the Kakatiya University students JECs, the Mahatma Gandhi University students JECs. So once upon a time, our Alpha students also take one JEC, that is Alpha JEC. So at the time of agitation. So the schools, the buses, all are in strike. They want separate Telangana into the big agitation. And then the employees JEC. So the non-gazetted officers, the NGOs JEC, the lecturers JECs, the teachers JECs. So actually they create their own joint action committees, and they fight against the government of Central, and they fight against the government of Andhra rulers government. At the time, the Kiran Kumar Reddy, the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh state. So the central government is Congress, the state government is Congress. So the Congress High Command watch the agitation of this. At the time, the opposition party BJP also give the big support to agitation of Telangana, Srimati Sushma Swaraj. What she says? So Telangana compulsory, the central government gives the separate state of Telangana. So her wife. So at the time, majority parties give their support to agitation of Telangana. So these JECs and these Kula Sangha, Sakala Janata Samay, political JECs, Kula Sangha JEC, students JEC, employees JEC, and also Telangana Jagriti is founded by Srimati Kalvakuntla Kavita. So actually the Telangana Jagriti, it protects the culture of Telangana. The Telangana Jagriti protects culture of Telangana. So K. Kavita is founder of That Jagriti. That Jagriti also fight against, they give their support to agitation of Telangana. So project the state of our Telangana. So once upon a time Amaraveerలకు జోహార్లు అన్నాం. The slogan of that ఎందుకంటే ఇండిపెండెంట్ తెచ్చినటువంటి వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా అమరవీరులు. తెలంగాణలో కూడా అనేక మంది అమరులయ్యారు. So just the Srikanthachari and Venugopal Reddy, these are all చచ్చిపోయారు. They are అందరినీ అమరవీరులు అంటారు. They for the purpose of agitation of Telangana. Agitation of Telangana. So it is the strong agitation. So the Telangana wants their state. At the time the central government gives Telangana formation of state. So actually the formation of state, the Telangana state, once upon a time Andhra and Telangana, the name of both is Andhra Pradesh. So the central government gives Telangana. So at the time the bifurcation time, so the 17 MPs to the side of Telangana. How many MPs in Telangana now present? 17 MPs. The members of Lok Sabha. Members of Lok Sabha. అంటే తెలంగాణలో ఎంతమంది ఎంపీస్ ఉన్నారు? లోక్సభ సభ్యులు 17. The members of Rajya Sabha is 7. The members of Rajya Sabha is 7. The members of Lok Sabha is 17. The MLAs of Telangana 119 MLAs in the side of Telangana state. So in 2014 elections, so the people of whole and soul Telangana, they give more priority to their agitation leader Mr. K. Chandrasekhar Rao. So in that elections, the TRS party owns big and absolute majority. At the time, the K. Chandrasekhar Rao is take the first Telangana Chief Minister is Mr. K. Chandrasekhar Rao, and the 2nd June 2014, it is the formation day of Telangana. It is the formation day of Telangana. Chandrasekhar Rao is the Chief Minister of first Telangana state. Mr. K. Narasimhan is Governor of first Telangana state. So this is total education of Telangana and emergencies of Telangana. This is the topic of all you. So yes, the psychological summary, the role of JECs in Telangana movement, the political JEC, the Kula Sangha JEC, the students, 2 marks matrame. Students JEC, only students create this JEC. The members of these JEC is only students. And the employees JEC, they create their own JECs. So this is the emergencies of Telangana state. It is the unit number 9. So first, all students of my dear, please you purchase materials. If any doubt are in your side, I give clarification to you all. Next videos I explain which question is 10 mark side, which question is 5 mark side, which question is 2 mark side. So every student must purchase material. It is a very important of you. So I completion these topics. Please you read carefully, and if any doubt your side, I clarify. I will question wise information to you. So which question is important of all you in your examination.